What is going on, guys? So I just wanted to let you know before we get into the video that this is not the video that I wanted to do. I wanted to do the one about how to get over fears while riding on the highway. I actually put a poll out and you guys are voting. I appreciate you guys being active. I think that's pretty cool. So unfortunately I can't do that video because I can't record it, but Amazon's pretty good about their stuff, so I should have that very soon. And some of you who are on the Instagram already know that I dropped my bike, and we will talk about that, not in this video obviously, but the next one. So enjoy this video. I have a stockpile of just riding around because, like I said before, it's pretty easy to make these, so whatever. Enjoy the video, and I will be talking to you guys soon. What is going on, guys? It is a nice beautiful morning, but we gotta go to work. Oh, we gotta go to work. It's a little chilly. It's like 36 degrees outside, but because we're layered up, got our little scarf thingy. My glasses are fogging up. That's not good at all, actually. That's bad. Can I do something to mitigate that? Can I open up these vents? I might just have to take off my glasses altogether. I don't want to. Maybe if I just kind of leave it cracked like that. Something's got to happen. Because that sun's going to be right in my face. And that's bad. Okay. That's still... okay, it's clearing up a little bit better. Yeah, because that sun's going to be right in my face. And I need my appropriate eyewear to mitigate my risk so I can navigate my machine as effectively and smoothly as possible. This always freaks me out that there's no stop sign for me. It's not like it's a bad thing, it's just, I don't know. Now, I don't have anything to talk about. This might just be an episode of The View, which, let me know what you guys thought about the last one, because I don't think there's anything really I'm going to talk about. This is just kind of going to work, chilling. I don't know if there's any awesome thing that I can tell you guys today. The roads are cold, so I want to be extra careful today. Like I said, it's like 36 degrees right now, but by the time I get off work it's gonna be like 67, so you know, we're going to be getting into that phase where, you know, it's just gonna be a little bit colder. Gloves are okay. I do think that my gloves are kind of cheap. They're not very well insulated, so I actually have another glove inside my glove. 2 gloves for one hand. 4 glove total kind of guy, you know what I mean? No glove, no love, as I always say. No glove, no love. And so far so pretty, you know, so far so good. You know, it's not so bad. I'm glad that it's not a very long ride, because I mean it can get a bit much. Right now is okay. I smell straight weed. It's not skunk. I can tell the difference. I went to the academy. I'm actually not too mad that this guy is kind of taking forever in 4 days because it is a little nippy. My hands feel, they don't feel, can't be cold already. Maybe they can. Maybe they can, maybe they can't. Yeah, this is just kind of about the motorcycle ride today. I don't know much to say on this beautiful day. Kind of late for work. Maybe, I don't know. I can kind of be there not whenever I want, but it's a little bit more flexible. Not that I have a great important job, it's actually the fact that it's such a ungreat and unimportant job that they're like, yeah, I don't care, do what you want. So I will. Oh, by golly, I will. Looks like there's still some frost on the ground. I think when I said I left, there's like 36-ish, 38, somewhere around there. Got a cute little neck thingy. It's a must, because when your neck gets cold, that's kind of really unpleasant. When any part of your body gets uncold, or uncold, when any part of your body gets cold, it kind of sucks, because it takes away the it can take away some of your attention to what you're doing. And that's no bueno, right? No, I messed that up. I don't even know what no bueno means. No bueno. That's a little chilly. Yeah, now it's starting to get cold. And it's going to be cold in the other part too, because it's just like this, where it's like, you know, ooh, in the shadows. The sun has not blessed it with its EM. Yeah, my hands are cold now. Yeah, they're pretty cold. They are pretty cold. And this guy's kind of close behind me. But I'm not mad at him. No, I forgive him for being an asshole. Man, a little windy up here too. It's cold, it's windy, but it's supposed to be warm whenever I leave. Like I said, again, for the millionth time. I'm surprised I even have this many followers, which I thank you guys for watching, but I'm surprised that I have this many. Ooh, yeah, a little cold, but it looks so nice. Look how nice it looks. Flash my brakes, make sure guy stops. Oh, I didn't really set up a good escape route that time, actually. Yeah, I know once I get on the highway, not this road, but another road, it's going to be blinded by the light. Oh, that was kind of sloppy. Oh, I'll probably cold here, but that's what we expect. Yeah, probably a horrible episode. Oh, that's okay. Oh no, we got some water. I don't want water at all on my pretty little bike, because it's cold. That could be whatchamacallit. What's the opposite of water? Fire? But ice? A Song of Ice and Fire, or whatever the hell that book's called. You know, riding in the cold isn't fun, but it's not impossible or like a horrible thing to do. Like, okay, right now I am kind of cold. These gloves are pretty crappy. They're gonna be good in the summer, but even in the summer I want to upgrade my gloves, because I mean, you can just look at them, they look like they're just freaking cloth. I mean, they are padded and they do, you know, have a slide resistant, but it just doesn't seem like it's like enough protection, to be honest with you. Like I don't really like these gloves. I mean, I like them in the sense that they're like, you know, I can move around in them pretty good and they're comfortable, but as far as like them actually helping me out, I'm not entirely sure about that one. They might not. I don't personally want to find out, but you know, that's just part of it. Oh, it is cold. My poor little hands. Maybe if I go faster, you know, in theory, I'll go faster, I'll get there quicker, but I'll also probably be colder. But I'll be colder for a shorter amount of time. But then again, I would be colder under a short amount of time rather than being cold for a longer period of time. So I don't know, maybe it just balances itself out. Or maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe it is early in the morning and I haven't had coffee or breakfast or anything in that matter. Oh, cold, 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 cold. Get that guy off my ass a little bit, because he kind of like chilling. He's just chilling. I get it. I'm chilling. Quite literally chilling. But my neck is nice and warm. Sure, I can't feel my fingertips, but my neck is warm. Smell that fresh, beautiful air. Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, because like I've ridden in colder weather than this, so I don't understand why it's such a big deal on my hands today. Like, it actually kind of hurts, like burns hurts, you know what I mean? Because I've ridden in colder weather than this before. Maybe because it wasn't the morning, and I don't know, maybe something about the morning, your body, how it works. I don't know how the body works. I'm just a simple geologist slash meteorologist slash scuba diver slash storm chaser slash motorcyclist. Man, okay, I'll quit talking about it, but I'll say this one more time. My hands fucking hurt, man. Like, it's like that cold hurt. Son of a bitch. I don't think there's much I could have really done. I already have 2 gloves on. Oh well. It won't be long now. Then I can let you guys go, and you can dislike this video because you're like, wow, this is horrible. Unsubscribe, unsubscribe, unsubscribe. What is wrong with me today? Let me know in the comments what's wrong with me today. Okay, now it feels like a little warm patch. Okay, now it's cold again. Oh, it was fake. fake, 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 fake. Oh, here's water here. Oh no. I don't like this dude in the cute little whatever the hell he's got. Mitsubishi. I am cold, but I said I wasn't gonna tell you. Yeah, that's my Lane Staley. That's my Lane Staley. I want to go in and drink some coffee and listen to Alice in Chains. And start work. Start a grand day to pay my bike. Because that's why I go to work now. Apparently. Side of a view, red alert, red alert. I cannot feel my fingers. Actually, I can't feel my hands at this point in time. Hey, don't pull out. Oh man, sun. Wow, yeah, that sucks. That really restricts your mobility with your controls. It's crazy. Like I've ridden in weather like this before, so it's not like I haven't done it. See, and this is why I want to wear my sunglasses, because that sun is right in my fucking face. I just want to get to work now. So Cloudy Biker, you just asked me before I left my house, what kind of gloves do I have? I have really shitty ones. I don't know what they are. They're Alpine something, but they're not very good because I got gloves on gloves and I'm still cold. I'm still cold. It's still cold. Flash my brakes. Make sure Mr. Truck behind me sees me. He does. Yeah, my hands are like numb. One good thing about numb hands is you don't know that they're cold anymore because they're just so numb. I think that's called frostbite. I think that's frostbite. Oh. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Alright guys, well, I will see you guys later. I am at work area or whatever, and my hands are fucking cold. So I just want to get off here. So I will see you guys in the next one.